Hi, I am Dr. Parth Sarathi Dattara, a consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist. My clinic is in MG Road, opposite to Gaudama, the main clinic. And also I have 3 branches in Kormangala, Desert Town, and Indiranagar. Approaching for a acne treatment, it depends on the types of acne, the grades which are made on the basis of severity. There are grade 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 acne. In case of mild acne, we usually give some oral antibiotics and some topical creams of benzoyl peroxide, also salicylic acid face wash and all these things. Whereas little bit of grade 2 or more severe than the earlier one, in that case we may add retinoic acid topically. Whereas in more severe than these in grade 3 acne, we give maybe there will be one antibiotic definitely, some topical creams, face wash as well, and we may go for something like chemical peel or something, which in addition helps in reducing pimples and reducing the pimple marks. In case of severe acne like nodulocystic acne, usually we give isotretinoin oral. Now isotretinoin is given to mainly to male patients, whereas in female patients, as we all know, it may lead to some teratogenicity. That is the the abnormality of the fetus. We do not give to pregnant women, and we make sure that when we are giving these medicines, she is not pregnant by any way. Okay. Second thing is, also along with this, as isotretinoin we give strong topical applications, like it can depend from the 5.5% of benzoyl peroxide, or combination of benzoyl peroxide and adagalene, or benzoyl peroxide and clindamycin. Also newer topical agents like dapsone we use, even oral dapsone we give in certain cases. So this is the way we treat. Of course it depends on the severity of the acne, and also depending on the person, his habit, his way of lifestyle, occupation and all these things. So these are the usual things what we use. Other than this, we do few procedures like, as I told, like chemical peel, subcisions, in case of bigger acne, intralesion, steroid injections.